Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan, and in this video we are going to see how to create the simple UI applications using the Python Streamlit library. In general, people might think when you want to create some UI application, especially web application, we need to have the knowledge about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. However, for simple utilities and dashboard, we may not be interested to learn these technologies. Also, as a QA engineer, we might know either Python or Java as a basic knowledge. So using Python, we can create simple UI applications and utilities. And today, we will see about the Streamlit library from Python, and also we will install and run our basic application. Let's go to the official website. And this is the official website. In general, it is created for the data applications because like us, even data engineers may not be interested to create a fancy UI application using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. They want to create the UI application as a prototype as quick as possible. So it is mainly generated for them. As a QA engineer, we also can adopt this. So let's try to see how it works. You will write your simple .py file, Python script, and you will execute and you will have the web application. For example, here you can see they have written simple 2 lines of code, and with this you can create your web application. So this is about basic application. Let's go to the other option. Here also you have the playground where you can write your simple Python code and you can execute your output and see. As a beginner, you can try something on basic level here. When you try to write your own code, you might be interested in some of the UI elements. For example, let's say, look for the radio button. As soon as you click on this, it will have all the options and also you will have the code snippet. For example, this is the code and you will have the option also. By this, you can create any kind of application by getting into the different elements and its documentation. For example, as a QA engineer, you might think about one sample scenario to upload your cucumber.json file and to create your dashboard. But as part of today's video, we will try to install our Streamlit and we will try to execute our basic app. In order to use your Python code, you might use any kind of Python editor. I am using VS Code here and I have opened a simple folder. And to install the Streamlit, we need to install by using command pip install Streamlit. Since I have already installed, it's showing already satisfied. In your case, it will install the Streamlit. After that, we will be writing our Python code demo.py. So we have written some basic commands: Streamlit title, write button, button, checkbox, text input, slider, select box, radio button, text area, which are the frequent web elements that you want to use. And after saving this, you will go to the terminal and type Streamlit, run, and your file. Now it has created your web application in few seconds. Here you can see the local URL and network URL. In general, you will use the local host, and you can see different web elements has been created. It does not have any functionality as of now, but it shows you can create any kind of web element just writing a simple Python code. After having this skeleton, based on the options or based on the input that you are giving in the screen, you can take some necessary actions in your Python code. So by this, we have understood what is Streamlit and why do we prefer Streamlit over HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And also we have seen the simple installation and execution for the same basic app. And this is all about this video. In coming videos, we will see more about how to create the custom application in QA Scope. Till then, always be a rainbow in others' cloud.